Hello, this is Michael Pucciarelli, creator of Still Life Photography, Michael Pucciarelli YouTube channel. In this channel, I'll be adding a new section called Landscape Photography Information, where I talk about some of the landscapes, whether it's a bridge, a building, or a waterfall, or a view that I photograph. I'll be talking about the equipment they use, the Photoshop, the Adobe software I use, and the camera settings. So this is a whole brand new section, and you'll see images like this: bridges, buildings, sunsets. You see, anything that's has significance as an outdoor landscape. And you'll see some, all these, you'll hear discussions about how I get this shot, the equipments, the Photoshop. So, and then I want to also show a black and white section where I talk about the actions in Photoshop to get this frame, where I talk about the black and white to get these shots. And there's a lot of cool things you can do by just using like a black and white. So thank you for listening to this short, tutorial on landscape information that serves as an introduction to my YouTube channel. And so stay tuned for many updates about how I do landscape photography with the equipment, the places I visit, and how I use Adobe software to get these beautiful images. Thank you for listening.